Here's a question. If one sentence could unlock momentum for you today, would you use it? In the next few minutes, I will share 10 short lines will challenge your excuses, calm your doubts, and move you forward. Find the one that sticks, then act on it. Do what you can, with what you have, where you are. We stall waiting for perfect conditions. More time, more money, more certainty. But progress is built from imperfect starts. Think about your goal. What's the smallest step you can take with what's already in your hands? One paragraph, one email, one walk around the block. Momentum is a multiplier. Once it's rolling, options appear that you couldn't see from a standstill. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Wins are temporary. Losses are information. The real currency is stamina. When something flops, ask, what did this teach me? That success never could. Iterate. When something wins, ask, how do I protect the process, not worship the outcome? The courage to continue isn't loud. It's the quiet decision to show up again tomorrow. Don't count the days. Make the days count. Counting the days is passive. Making them count is intentional. Pick a keystone for today, one action that, if done, makes everything else easier. Ali didn't become great from one massive moment. It was the discipline of today's rounds. Your life changes when this day gets a job. Discipline equals freedom. Sounds backwards, right? But freedom isn't doing whatever you want. It's building a life where the important things are done automatically. Systems mean fewer decisions, fewer emergencies, more peace. Decide your wake-up time, decide your workout, decide your spending rules, then let discipline carry the weight. So your mind can be creative. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Prediction feels safe. Creation is responsibility. Write the future you want, in embarrassingly specific terms: income, health, relationships, impact. Then reverse engineer the first 3 steps. The gap between vision and action is where dreams go to die. Shrink the gap. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Speed is loud. Consistency is undefeated. A slow plan you follow beats a perfect plan you abandon. Progress compounds invisibly, like interest, 3 months from now. Slow will look fast compared to stopped. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Fear guards the door to your next level. Name the fear precisely: rejection, looking dumb, losing money. Then design a tiny exposure. Send 1 email, post 1 draft, invest 1 hour. Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's action, while your hands shake. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky, not shooting, guarantees 0. Taking the shot, create surface area for luck. Make more attempts, more applications, more pitches, more reps. Volume with feedback, create skill. And skill looks like luck from the outside. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Happiness isn't delivered, it's practiced. Sleep, sunlight, sweat, service. 4 levers you can pull daily. Move your body, step outside, help someone, protect your bedtime. Mood follows behavior, more than the other way around. Hard times create strong men. Strong men create good times. Good times create weak men. And weak men create hard times. Tough seasons train capacities. That comfort never will. Grit, clarity, gratitude. Instead of asking, why me? Ask, what muscle is this building? Use hardship to tighten your standards, your circle, and your focus. Let struggle sculpt you. Now, quotes don't change your life. Your next action does. Which line hit you hardest? Comment it below and claim it. If this gave you a spark, subscribe and come back next week. We're building focus and motivation together. And before you go, pick one micro action from this video and do it in the next 10 minutes. You'll thank yourself tonight.